This is the clitoris model. It is a teaching tool to explain what a clitoris is. It is not only this small visible part, but an important organ like the heart. The clitoris must never be removed, as many people think and do while practicing female genital mutilation. It belongs to the reproductive organs like the penis with numerous nerves. It has 2 arms embedded in the body. They are important for intimate intercourse. Removing the clitoris causes pain, severe physical and psychological consequences, and in some cases even death.